Hey everyone, welcome to another video of MindPal, where you will learn how to create AI agents and multi-agent workflows to automate business processes. In today's video, we will explore how to build the ultimate web page audit generator that can provide feedback for e-commerce product pages and landing pages. This AI workflow begins by collecting details about the web page, including screenshots and the link to the page. The link is optional, but the screenshots are mandatory for all runs. We can set the maximum image count to 3 or any other number you prefer. Once the web page details are collected, this AI workflow will first validate to ensure that the screenshot is a valid representation of a real web page and that it falls within the categories we can process, either an e-commerce product page or a landing page. If these conditions are not met, the workflow will be halted. However, if they are met, it will proceed to the next step, where a router will direct the user request to the appropriate path. We have two distinct paths, the e-commerce product page audit and the landing page audit path. Each of these paths has a different process for generating audit reports for the web page. The router will assign the task to the correct path based on the web page's category. If the web page is an e-commerce product page, it will route to this subflow, which will invoke another workflow called the e-commerce product page audit generator to provide the audits. This e-commerce product page audit generator is another workflow that will accept the same inputs, screenshots, and links, and then audit product information, visual elements, calls to action, user engagement features, trust signals, SEO, and compile all reports into final actionable recommendations for optimizing the product page. In the setup of the parent workflow, I ensure to pre-fill the initial human input fields of this e-commerce product page audit generator workflow to capture the inputs of the screenshots and links from the initial step of this parent workflow, so the user does not have to re-enter these details. For the landing page audit, I also pre-fill the same input fields, but this time, it runs a different workflow called the landing page feedback generator. This landing page feedback generator operates similarly to the e-commerce product page audit generator, with the only difference being the criteria it uses for auditing. In this case, it will assess the design, copywriting, storytelling, and SEO, and then combine these elements into improvement suggestions. Additionally, this workflow includes an extra step to collect competitor landing pages, analyze them, and provide suggestions for enhancing the user's own website based on insights from competitors. With the setup complete, you can now start using this web page audit generator for any website you have. For example, we can use MindPal's website, including its screenshots and URL. Let's proceed. First, the workflow initiates with a validation step performed by a gate node, which decides to continue the workflow since the provided screenshots are valid and belong to the processable category of landing pages. It then correctly routes my request to the landing page audit path, executed by the landing page feedback generator workflow. Since I have pre-filled the initial inputs of this subflow with the inputs from the first step of the parent workflow, you can see that the user input has been pre-populated. All I need to do is double-check and click Continue. Then my landing page auditor agents will kick off the auditing process, starting with design, followed by copywriting, storytelling, SEO, and finally, a report that consolidates all findings to produce actionable suggestions for improving the website. I can also provide some competitor landing pages to gain further insights. In just minutes, I receive a detailed audit for any website I submitted to the workflow. The great thing about this workflow is its adaptability to user requests. If the user provides an e-commerce product page instead, it will route my request to the e-commerce product page audit generator. If the user uploads an invalid screenshot or a screenshot of a web page type that we cannot process, the workflow will stop to avoid unnecessary consumption of AI credits. You can also add more types of websites to the system, whether they're sales pages, course pages, or others. So, go to mindpal.io, try it out, and duplicate it into your own workspace for further customization if needed. For now, take care, and I will see you in our next videos.